Hello everyone, in this video we will show you today how to download and install Lightroom on your Android device for free. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Adobe Lightroom in the search bar. Once you find the app, click on the Install button. The app will start downloading and installing on your device. After the installation is complete, open the Lightroom app. You will be prompted to sign in with your Adobe ID. If you don't have one, you can create a free account. You can tap on Continue with Google, select the account that you want to use, add account details, and click on Create Account. Close the subscription page and continue with the free version. Once you are signed in, you can edit your photos immediately. Lightroom offers a wide range of editing tools and filters to enhance your images. That's it. You now have Lightroom installed on your Android device for free. Start editing your photos and take your photography to the next level. If you found this guide useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy editing!